Hi everybody, let's talk about burning belly fat. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, no matter how much we exercise or how healthy we eat, some belly fat just doesn't know when to leave. For instance, let's say you've been busting your butt at the gym or aerobics class. You do crunches and sit ups every day, and yet your belly size remains the same. The reason you're not seeing results is because working out doesn't burn belly fat. Exercises for abs strengthen and enhance the abdominal muscles, or in other words, your abs are getting developed, but you aren't burning that layer of fat above your abs. If you have a workout routine comprised of daily sit ups, don't expect to lose your muffin tops. Instead, you must make changes to your routine. What drinks and foods contribute to belly fat loss? Your diet must be high in protein and soluble fiber. Studies have indicated that weight loss is promoted by soluble fibers. It makes your stomach feel stuffed, causing you to consume less food. One study involving adults that enhanced their intake of soluble fiber over a 5-year duration resulted in belly fat reduction of 3 to 4%. Protein is just as vital for weight control since it contains a high thermic effect, more so than other types of food. As such, more energy will be burned by your body when proteins are processed than when fat and carbs are processed. Thus, diets high in protein are quite efficient when it comes to burning belly fat. They also enhance hormone release, reducing your appetite while making you feel full at the same time. A high intake of protein also enhances your metabolic rate, helping you with retention of muscle mass when you're losing weight. Those who consume more protein have less fat under the abs than people who have insufficient protein in their diet. As far as drinks go, for the most part, I just drink green tea and water. Green tea is antioxidant rich and calorie deficient. Green tea also stimulates fat cell breakdown while boosting your metabolism.